Consulting, this is Lena.
Slalom is the parent company to 4 divisions: Slalom Consulting, Versa Resources, 2 Degrees, and M-Level. And through these various divisions, we do management and technology consulting, staffing and finance, and then we have a rapid learning software product that we sell on a software as a service model. 3,000 employees in the US and the UK.
We chose Parallels for our Mac solution after evaluating some other ones. Our biggest need was OSD. It was something that we had to have. We have, as a consulting firm, we have a lot of consultants that are onboarding, and that being said, whenever they change a project, we need to give them a fresh deployment. The other options really just did not support that, or if they supported it, it was not a very thorough solution. Our next priority was encryption. We had to really make sure that all of our Macs were in compliance with encryption the same way we would in the Windows environment. And again, the other solutions really just did not provide a thorough solution that tied into our current management system. The deployment of our Parallel solution has actually been really incredibly simple. The fact that it integrates so well with our SCCM environment was super important to us, and the fact that it really mimics the basic functionality of that has been huge. So the learning curve was fairly minimal. Getting it up and running was really a matter of minutes to hours, one day. And it's really just been diving in and getting it to making it ours the way we would on the Windows side.
Sometimes the challenges that we see with Macs are providing encryption to them, managing them centrally, patching, domain integration, various things like that. When you have 16 various locations across the country, it's hard to keep track of all these devices. We can do it on the PC side, and now with Parallels Mac Management, we can do it for all our Macs as well.
Well, personally, Parallels makes my life easier from a number of different perspectives. I run a Mac on a daily basis, so I need a lot of access to Windows applications, Visio, and just to integrate into our current Windows environment. Speaking from the support perspective and deployment, it's made our lives just immensely easier. We're able to have laptops sent from a depot to a regional office and be able to deploy our machines from those offices instead of just spending massive amounts on shipping, and having images pre-built in an effective manner, being able to update our images quickly and on the fly if there's a security issue. But from the support perspective, it's been instrumental in being able to work our way through our day faster and faster, and being able to get these machines out and make our customers happy.
So since I started at Slalom, which was about 5 years ago, our Mac count was probably at 50 plus at that time, and 5 years later, we're well over 300, and we're growing tremendously fast. For a SCCM administrator like myself, it just became important to have that enterprise solution, again, that would allow us to actually have the visibility, to have the management capabilities that we had in the SCCM environment, and doing it without having to actually implement a whole nother environment that we would have to manage.
I can't imagine working on a Mac in a predominantly PC environment and getting the same level of support that I do, and being able to produce the same products and output that I know are going to work without Parallels. So it's sort of an obvious decision.
I absolutely recommend Parallel solutions for environments that are PC-based with a small proportion of Macs. It's a really solid solution, and we love it. From just the support that we receive from every employee at Parallels to the actual products itself, I wake up and use it every day, and I couldn't imagine my life without it right now.
I would absolutely recommend Parallels to other companies who are deploying Macs. It's been a fantastic solution for us.